Okay, it's day 4 of the U.S. Open of Surfing, and I'm heading down to the pier again. See what's happening. Pretty strong headwind as we go to the beach. We'll see how that affects the waves. I'm going to go to the pier on the bike path. It's Tuesday, so it should be pretty quiet down here. No weekend traffic, obviously. And it's the third different way of running out of approaches, being as we can only come from the north, the east, or the west. This is actually a south-facing beach, so that's why you don't come from the south. Although most people do call this the south. Well, you don't see an airplane in the parking lot here at the beach very often, so I thought I'd circle back. Do you think he had to emergency land? Coming to the event, day 4, U.S. Open of Surfing. It's the women's longboard on the 4th day of the U.S. Open of Surfing. Little onshore breeze.
The blue. Here we go, Bobby, the road outside.